In the previous video segment, we have considered two signals and we saw how we can multiply the two signals and draw the waveform. So here in this lecture, we shall see how signals can be added or subtracted, which is much more simpler when compared to multiplying two signals. So let's consider the first example. I need to find x of t, where x of t is u of t plus 2 minus 2 u of t plus u of t minus 2, where u of t is nothing but a step signal. So let me sketch these waveforms individually. So what is u of t plus 2? So here u of t plus 2 is a step signal which remains 0 till t equal to minus 2 and then remains 1 up to t equal to infinity. So this is u of t minus 2. Now next let me consider u of t into minus 2. So what is minus 2 u of t? We know that u of t is nothing but the given step signal, where the given signal is 1 from t equal to 0 to infinity. Now what is happening? The given signal u of t is being multiplied with minus 2. So the amplitude now becomes minus 2 and remains minus 2 from t equal to 0 to infinity. So this is minus 2 u of t. Next, what is u of t plus u of t minus 2? So u of t minus 2 is nothing but u of t, which has been shifted right by 2 units. So the given signal is 1 from t equal to 2 to infinity. So the given signal is 1 from t equal to 2 up to infinity. Right? So since I've already considered minus 2 u of t, I need to add these three signals, which is very easy. So this is x of t. So I have minus 2. Then you have 0, then you have plus 2 t. Now observe, from t equal to minus infinity to minus 2, the signal is 0, and then from minus 2 to 0, the signal amplitude becomes 1. Alright, now at t equal to 0, what happens? The signal amplitude is minus 2. So 1 minus 2 gives me minus 1. So the amplitude drops down from plus 1 to minus 2. So remember, this difference is minus 2 here. So 1 minus 2 gives me minus 1. And this remains till t equal to 2. So the amplitude is minus 1 till t equal to 2. And from t equal to 2 onwards, I'm adding minus 1 with plus 1. So the amplitude increases from minus 1 to 0 and the given signal remains 0 from t equal to 2 to t equal to infinity. So this is x of t, where x of t is u of t plus 2 minus 2 u of t plus u t minus 2. So we need to find the given signal x of t, which is minus u t plus 3 plus 2 u t plus 1 minus 2 u of t minus 1 plus u t minus 3. Now what is u of t plus 3? So u of t plus 3 is the given signal which exists from minus 3 to infinity, but I have a minus sign here. So here the given signal amplitude becomes minus 1 from minus 3 onwards to infinity. Right? So this amplitude is minus 1. So the amplitude is minus 1 here. Next, what is 2 u of t plus 1? The given signal now exists from minus 1 to infinity, but the amplitude is 2. So the amplitude will be 2 from minus 1 to infinity. Next, u of t minus 1 multiplied with minus 2. The given signal exists from 1 to infinity, but what is the amplitude? Minus 2. So here the amplitude is negative and this value is minus 2 to infinity. Right? So this is t up to infinity, the amplitude will be minus 2, and then you have u of t minus 3. So what is t minus 3? From t equal to 3, the given signal amplitude will be 1. Now I need to add all these four waveforms. So let's consider x of t. So where are the transition time instances, you have -3, -1, and then you have 1 and 3. From -infinity to -3, the signal amplitude is 0, right? Because here I observe that it is 0. And then from -3 to -1, the amplitude will remain -1, right? Now at -1, what happens? You have amplitude which is -1 gets added with +2. So -1 plus 2 becomes +1. So at t equal to -1, the signal makes a transition from amplitude -1 to +1 and remains 1 till t equal to 1. So here what happens? The amplitude is -2 from t equal to 1. So 1 minus 2 is again -1. 1 minus 2 is -1, right? So the signal will remain -1 from t1 to 3, and at t equal to 3 onwards the signal amplitude is 1. So I'm adding this waveform. So -1 plus 1 gives me 0. So this is my resultant waveform. So this is x of t, where x of t is equal to this expression. All these 4 waveforms added up together to give me x of t. So the next example, I need to add these 3 ramp signals, r of t plus 1 minus r of t plus r of t minus 2. What is r of t plus 1? Is nothing but a ramp signal with a slope equal to 1, where you have the signal increasing from t equal to -1. So this is the signal, ramp signal, right? So at 0 the value will be 1. Now what is r of minus t? You have the given signal which is 0 and you have a negative going ramp, right? Such that at t equal to 1 the amplitude is -1. So this is a negative going ramp. And then r of t minus 2, the whole ramp signal which has been shifted by 2 positions from t0. So you have the ramp signal increasing at t equal to 2, or from t equal to 2. So what is the resultant waveform? You have x of t, then I have the transitions which happen at -1, 0, 1 and 2. From -infinity to -1, the signal is 0. Observe from -1 to 0, you have the signal increasing with a slope equal to 1, right? So at t equal to 0, the amplitude will be 1. And then what happens? The slope which is increasing now is added with another ramp function where the slope is decreasing. So here the slope is +1, here the slope is -1. So therefore the slope, the net increase is 0, right? So since the net increase is 0, the signal will remain constant with an amplitude 1 from t equal to 0 to 1. And then from t equal to 2, so this exists till t equal to 2. And from t equal to 2, what happens? I have the ramp signal again with slope equal to 1. So again the ramp increases, right? So this is the resultant waveform x of t. So let's take another example where I need to find x of t. So first let us draw r of t plus 2. R of t plus 2 is nothing but a ramp signal with a slope equal to 1, increasing at t equal to -2. So from -infinity to t equal to -2, the given signal is 0 and then it increases. The slope is 1. The slope is 1. So therefore at t equal to -1, the amplitude will be 1 and so on. So it goes on increasing. Next, r of t plus 1 with a negative sign. So this is a ramp signal going negative because the ramp signal is now being multiplied with a negative sign. So therefore at t equal to 0, the amplitude will be -1, right? And it extends. The next one is minus r of t minus 1. So this is again a negative going signal ramp at t equal to 1. So at t equal to 1, what happens? The ramp is increasing in the negative direction. So at t equal to, the amplitude would be -1. So it would be -1 at t equal to 2. And then here at r of t minus 2, so this is nothing but a ramp function which is increasing from t equal to 2. So the amplitude at t equal to 3 will be 1. So here the slope is 1, here the slope is -1 and +1. So let's see how to draw the waveform. So remember, here the slope is +1, here it is -1 and +1. So the given signal will remain 0 from -infinity to t equal to -2, and from t equal to -2 to -1, the signal goes on increasing. So the slope is 1. So the amplitude at t equal to -1 will be 1, right? So this amplitude will be 1. Now what happens? The slope was 1. Now from t equal to -1 to 0, this signal is being added with another signal where the slope is -1. So slope +1 -1 becomes 0. So the net slope becomes 0. So t equal to -1 to 0, the slope is 0. That means the value of x of t remains constant at an amplitude 1 from t equal to -1 to 0. And this continues till t equal to 1. So here the slope is 0, right? So now what happens? The slope becomes -1. So at t equal to 1, the signal starts reducing and becomes 0 at t equal to 2, and it should continue decreasing because the slope is -1. But now what happens? At t equal to 2, the slope which was -1 gets added with another signal with slope equal to +1. So -1 + 1 becomes 0. So now the signal slope will be 0. So the amplitude will be 0 from t equal to 2 onwards up to infinity. So this is the resultant waveform x of t, which is obtained by adding these 4 ramp signals. So in this lecture, we have considered a few examples wherein we had to add or subtract the given signals. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the further uploads. And to view the other lecture videos in Signals and Systems, do click on the I button or go through the playlist Signals and Systems. And thanks for watching.